My Rebellion fam, welcome to your video, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted just to talk to you about the stuff that we just discussed on the Discord, all the steps moving forward right now, what's happening, what are we working on, what have we worked on that you haven't seen probably, etc. So we're going to cover on this one the Metaverse Portal, which is in our utility site. Another thing in our utility site, which is the Pimp My NFT, which is something that a tool that allows you to edit your NFT. We're going to talk about the hero bots, and we're going to talk about the Rebellion MegaBots. So let's get started, baby. Number one, let's talk about the utility website. This is something I want to show you guys because I believe that all of you should have this website saved. The website right here in question, the website we're talking about, is called utility.rebellionbots.io. So right here, this is your home. This is where you're gonna be for all of the delicious utility that you're gonna extract out of your bots. So number one, let's talk about the Metaverse Portal. What the fuck is a Metaverse Portal? So as you guys know, we came up with this collection, and it was a 3D collection. So all of the robots were in 3D, and that's the NFT that you got. What we did was we also added another artist that came in and did the art for the robots as a cartoon, so that it could be very clear. So you can get the same robot in a different version, in a cartoon version. So now, in our Metaverse Portal, you can go back and forth between those two versions. How exactly it works, this is called an entangler. So this is an entangler, and you'll be able to use it for free all the time. So as a Rebellion bot holder, but more than a Rebellion bot holder, if you have a portal gun, which we airdrop to every single holder. So just make sure to hang on to that, because we're gonna charge other collections for these services and for other stuff. So you want to take that advantage of that. That's free for you forever. So you get these, you can swap them back and forth no matter what. And then depending on what side you have on right now, like for example, you're seeing my laser has the 3D version of it right now showing. This one is the one that's going to display my Phantom. This is the one that's going to display on Magic Eden and in any other marketplace. So if I come here and I go back, enter the 2D world, and I approve the transaction, which is only going to take some gas fees for the transaction so that I can get the other image back. You guys see right there, I already have my bot in 2D. So the really cool thing about this thing is, and people might be wondering why. Let's say that we do a collab with Murakami or an incredible designer, whoever you want, like your favorite designer. We make a collab with them. They can make a whole new version of robots or traits or something, and we can launch that and give you guys that one too. So you can substitute your cartoon for that one. And now, the cool thing about keeping the original is the actual collectible value, because we're keeping all of the collection always with the 3D bot and the metadata that belongs to the 3D bot. So those two will always exist, giving everybody priority based on those real on that rarity. So what I'm saying is, as far as the collectible goes, the rarity table is right there and will never be changed. No matter how much you edit the second picture, the rarity will always be based on the first one, which is the original one, which is the one you minted. So that's the cool thing, so that we never lose track on that. And people are not like, well, I bought a rare one, and now that you're upgrading the trades, mine's not worth. No. You're always going to be the big daddy, whatnot. But also, this opens the marketplace for people that also are willing to pay for certain trades, certain collections, certain artists, etc. So this is why we have a Metaverse Portal. Now, Pimp My NFT, baby, you come in here and you look at this Pimp My NFT, click on it, you connect your wallet, it's gonna search for your NFTs, and you're gonna be able to edit now the robots. The robots are here, and you can only edit them in 2D, because remember what we talked about, the 3D ones. So you can also edit your golems, your demons, your trash pandas, but right now we're only talking about the Rebellion, so let's get into it right now. So I'm gonna grab this guy, and I'm gonna say, let's pimp it. So, as you guys can tell, it shows right here, we have the Pato armor, which we can put on right now, just with a click of a button. I can even add the helmet right here. And I can even change the hand traits with the portal gun. So right now, I just want you guys to see it all. And we have a watermark right here, as you can tell. And then it completely edits your NFT. You want to download this version of your NFT, it's going to download with the watermark, of course. And that's that. But hopefully this week, we'll have the ability to add another button right here that says, make this my NFT. So once you're able to click that button, you'll be able to upload this NFT automatically on chain, and you'll be able to use it as your NFT. That's one of the fucking awesome things that we're working on and have been working on for a while. Why are we doing this? We want everybody to be able to get a custom experience. For example, with the portal guns, only 7 people are gonna get to win one of those portal guns, and only 7 of these portal guns are going to be sent to people. You're going to have hold that trait in order for you to be able to apply it to your robot and upload it on chain. Like right now, you can't do it. There's nothing you can do to upload your robot with a portal gun and make that real. Or if you're a holder of the Pato armor and you have one of those for the demons, not only the demon gets it, your robot will also get it. And also, I don't know if you guys have seen in the Discord, a Rogue Shark skin for Pato is also coming out. So as you can tell, there's Pato, first race car driver collab in the history of NFTs, period. And we're making his brand a big brand in the metaverse across all of our collections. And that's just the start, just to show you guys a little bit and flex a little bit on people. Now, let's talk about what's coming right now, because we got to talk about the hero bots. And this is really important because this is something that was discussed from day one and not a lot of people are paying attention to it. So we're doing you guys have the Rebellion heroes. The Rebellion heroes, there's only 13, 10 of them are unique. The other 3 are basically they're very similar. They look like the same, different colors. So there's 13 of us. All of you guys have a 3D version of your robot, but you haven't gotten a 2D version of your robot. That's not an accident. The reason why you haven't gotten a 2D version of your robot, which is what we discussed before, but now this is officially going to open this week, I'll tell you guys when, is, guess what? Finally, you'll be able to do a custom piece for you. That's right. Our artist is going to take care and do a custom piece that you're going to be able to put on your NFT and customize the face of your NFT. So instead of adding just a regular 2D version of your NFT, you're going to add a 2D version based on the custom traits that you want. Because that's how we fucking roll, baby. And it was important for me to tell you this and remind you of this and remind you that we're doing this because now that they're just inventing this right now in the NFT world, I also want to announce the Rebellion MegaBots. Because now that we have all this shit, we can actually touch it. So the Rebellion MegaBots are made by the 2D bots from the old collection. I believe I have them here and I can show you right now. So the original rug, these robots, they're going to transfer and convert into MegaBots. 5 random of these together will make 1 megabot, and that'll make a random megabot, right? So because there's only 782 of these NFTs, there's a maximum amount of 156 megabots that are going to come out if we use all of the robots. That means this is the most exclusive and awesome collection in the Rebellion. And that's going to remain like that forever, right? Aside from the heroes, obviously. So to spice things up, we're starting right now doing the megabots. So I'll leave you the instructions and whatnot, but you're going to send me your robots to a wallet. You're going to send me an email and telling me like, these are my robots. This is how many robots I'm getting back, blah, blah, blah. Then I'm going to be sending you guys back. It's kind of like a box for your robot. So you'll be getting those for your megabots. So for each 5 of these that you send me, random ones of these 2D bots, I'm going to send you one of these things back, and that's going to be that's going to turn into your megabot, right? Now, there's people that have awesome robots with special traits that they really like rare traits. For example, Rainbow Guy. If you have 5 rainbow bodies, and we already discussed these, if you have 5 of these, then you can make a megabot that looks like that. You can grab that trait and turn it into a megabot that looks like that. So you can guarantee the trait that's going to come out, right? So these are going to be special just within themselves like that. But I'm also opening the door, and this is why it was important for you guys to hear everything before. I'm also opening the door on this one so that if you have an awesome megabot that you really like, but you want to make it even more awesome, for 10 Sol more, we'll make you a custom one. That's right. You can get your own custom megabot from like the really rare ones. So these are going to be really fucking rare ones. And that's for anyone that has one of these special traits that were mentioned before. Now, the really cool thing is we're going to be giving away 2 spots for anyone that has a random megabot so that you can also get a custom. And all you need to do is just not list your box, baby. That's it. It's not a box. You'll see. You'll see what it is. But that's about it. Right now, we're going to start the process. I'm going to tell you guys on the Discord. Stay tuned on the Discord. And also, I'm going to post it on the Creadore blog, this is probably going to be the first post. So here you have it, guys. This is what the Rebellion's up to, and let's fucking go. Because now, as you can tell, we have tools. We have one piece of clothing that goes into several collections, and now we can start really playing with this and take it to the next level. Whew. Viva La Rebellion, motherfuckers!